Hi guys, it's Desi from Creativian, aka XX Blackstars. Today I am going to be doing the blur banner tutorial. This is my own style on this tutorial. This is how I do it. So if you do use this tutorial, do use my template, then please credit. That's all I'm asking, even if it's inspo credit or template tutorial credit, I don't care, but please do credit me because this is my version. Anyway, what you want to do is you want to open your banner. Generally speaking, I do my Discord banners at 600 by 240. You then want two images. So I'm just going to use these two from Blackpink. You basically do this no different than you do a normal banner. You drag your images in. I'm just going to drag them both in. You do want similar sort of poses because it works better that way. Once you do that, you can then obviously get your textures out, or you can do that first, however you want to do it, it doesn't really matter. Just thinking what ones I can use for this. I don't want to go too light and too dark, but anyway, it doesn't matter what textures you use or how you want to do it. I'm just going to show you briefly how I do it. Might want to go a bit more purple with that. That one might be better. Yeah, I prefer that one. I might be able to... No, right. You can do your bits however you want to do it. So if you use a topaz, if you use a sharpen, however you want to do it, you can obviously do your layers before or after. Put your text on. I apologise if you can hear my fan in the background. It's disgustingly hot in the UK right now. Obviously this is how I do it. This is my style. Please don't replicate this in that sense, but obviously you can style it however you want. I don't care. Like that. Once you're happy, then I want to open timeline. You want to create a frame. But there's two ways to do this. You can do create a frame and then you go here and click new frame, or you can literally just duplicate your layers. I essentially merged that one, and then I want 2 and 2. Create frame, then make your frames, delete the first one, select all your background. So essentially what you've got is this, which doesn't look great, doesn't look rubbish to be fair, so that's how I do it. Then you want to then go onto the second copy, go filter, go blur, go motion. The first one I roughly do is about 20, and I do the same with this one. Copy. Then on the third image, which is this one, I then go blur, motion, go about 60. Copy the same on this one, which then gives you the blur switch effect. I then do the main two that aren't blurry, say 20 to 40 on the seconds, and these three I do about 13. You can go one step further and do the reverse back, so you've got the same thing and it switches between. You can then add your PSD on top of that. And there you go. Oh, put that on the right layer, might help. But yeah, that's how you do the template. Any issues, do let me know. If not, thank you for watching, and thank you.